तुम्ही सगळे हम साथ साथ है म्हणटाले. आता तर त्यो जशी इलेक्शन लागीं पावता ते साथ साथ तर सोडूनच दियात, ते लास्टाक कितली उरता ते पळोवचें पडटलें. सो ही जी गजाल आसा, एक गजाल आमकां लक्षांत आयल्या की तुमी एकठांय येवन चड काळ काम करपाक शकनात ओपोजिशन. हावसाकच जेन्ना जायना तेन्ना ते हावसा भायर जातलें अशी अपेक्षा दवरप म्हळ्यार आमच्या दृश्टीन चुकीचें न्ही त्या जनतेच्या.
ते let us keep it for the future. Let us not prophesize on that also.
I was hoping you would.
No,
all your prophecies are coming true.
No, I don't want to prophesize on that because eventually people also should get what they deserve. And if the people want unity, then we should give unity a chance. So I don't want to be a spoiler at the beginning and predict something that is against the wishes of the people. I don't want to do that.
That means you feel it won't happen.
No, I feel that there are lots of ifs and buts. And they have to be smoothened, or they have to be redressed or mitigated by some serious effort.